Dear students, welcome to my channel School Success. In this video, we'll learn about the universe, stars, constellations, and galaxies. Just look at this picture. He is Aryabhatta. Who was Aryabhatta? He was the first prominent Indian astronomer and a mathematician who discovered zero. Look at this picture. He is Aryabhatta. Who was Aryabhatta? The first prominent Indian astronomer and a mathematician. What he did, he discovered zero, and his works are Aryabhattiyam and Arya Siddhanta. So, this man, Aryabhatta, he had an earth-centric view of the universe. He believed that the planets move around the earth. Also, he was the first astronomer to give scientific explanation of eclipses. He described that eclipses are not caused by Rahu and Ketu, rather they are caused by the moon coming between Earth and the sun. So India's first satellite was also named after him. Now let us study or know more about the universe. Do you know what exactly happened in our universe about 15 billion years ago? What happened was that all matter in the universe was concentrated in one mass, and this super dense, extremely hot mass, it eventually exploded with a big bang, and the matter was thrown around in all directions. The universe started to expand and get bigger, creating more space around the matter. So, this scattered matter led to the formation of galaxies and stars and other heavenly bodies. So, this Big Bang theory, it actually explained the process that led to the birth of our universe. So, with the Big Bang, millions of galaxies and having millions of stars, they were formed in the universe. And one such galaxy to which Sun belongs was named as Milky Way galaxy. It was spiral in shape and it is also known as Akash Ganga. And what are stars? Stars make up the galaxies in the universe. So the galaxy is constituted by the stars, right? So stars make up the galaxies in the universe. And the stars are what? They are heavenly objects who are self-luminous. That means they shine by producing their own light. So this incredible heat and light, this incredible heat and light, where does this heat and light comes from? It is produced by the burning gases within them. And you all must be knowing that sun is also a star. So some stars, they form a recognizable pattern in the sky. And such stars which form a recognizable pattern in the sky, they are known as constellations, or we call them as nakshatra. So you can see some of them in the night sky. And most easily recognizable constellations, they are Orion. This is also called a hunter. You can see the shape of a hunter. This is a hunter who has a bow and an arrow, right? So this is Orion constellation. Another one is Libra. It is also known as the balance scales. Balance scales. Can you see? This is a scale, and here, you can have two things where which you can measure or balance. So this is the balance scale. And the third important or most easily recognizable constellation is Ursa Major. So Ursa Major, it resembles like a great bear. So what I told you is that there was an astronomer called Aryabhatta. He was an Indian astronomer and a mathematician. And what was his contribution? Why do we study him? Because he discovered zero. Number one, he discovered zero. Number two, his two works are very famous. One is known as Arya Bhattiyam and another is known as Arya Siddhanta. What else is known about him? That he had a earth-centric view of the universe. He believed that planets move around the earth. What else? He was the first astronomer to give scientific explanation of eclipses, where he told that eclipses they are not caused by Rahu and Ketu, but by the moon coming between sun and earth. And India's first satellite, it was named after him. Now let's study about the universe. So all the matter in the universe, it was concentrated in one mass, and this super dense, extremely hot mass that eventually exploded with a Big Bang, and the matter was thrown around in all directions. And what happened then? The universe started to expand and get bigger, creating more space around the matter. So this scattered matter, it led to the formation of what? Galaxies, stars, and other heavenly bodies. Now this Big Bang theory, it explained the process that led to the birth of our universe. Stars were formed in the universe. So one such galaxy to which Sun belongs, that is named as Milky Way galaxy. This is the same galaxy where we live. It is a spiral shaped and it is also known as Milky Way galaxy is also known as Akash Ganga. So what makes up the galaxies? Stars makes up the galaxies in the universe. So what are stars? These are number one, heavenly bodies. What are stars? They are heavenly bodies. What else? They are self-luminous. They are self-luminous. That means they shine by producing their own light. So this heat and light, this heat and light, how is it produced? How this heat and light is produced? Stars are self-luminous. They have their own light and heat. And how is that produced? That is produced by burning gases within them. Burning gases within them. And what is sun? Sun is a star. So some stars, few stars, right? Some stars, they form a recognizable pattern in the sky. This recognizable pattern that is made by some stars in the sky, this is known as constellation, or we also call it as nakshatra. You can definitely see some of them in the night sky. And the most easily recognizable constellations are, one is Ursa Major, that looks like a great bear. It is also known as Great Bear. Another is Orion, the hunter. Orion, the hunter. Third one is Libra, the balance scales. Fine. So we are talking about astronomy for so long. Let's see, what do you mean by astronomy? What is astronomy? So astronomy is basically the study of what? Study of stars and other celestial bodies. And who are astronomers? These are the scientists. These are the scientists who study what? Who study stars and other celestial bodies. Then what is a universe? If I say define universe, universe is the whole of space and everything in it. Whole of space and everything in it. What does that mean? What does it include? What does everything include? It includes our Earth, other planets, stars, galaxies, and all other heavenly bodies. And all other heavenly bodies. Then what is a galaxy? Define galaxy. It is what? A system. It is a system. So if it is a system, it must consist of something. So this system consists of what? Gas, dust, and millions of stars, millions of stars, and each with its own planets. Millions of stars, each with its planets. I hope you understood. Thank you for listening. This is all for this video. Please subscribe and like my channel if you like the content. Thank you.